Welcome back. So in the previous video we have talked about privileged identity management and the different sections of it and why it is used and what is the necessity of it. So in this video we'll be trying to assign a role. Let's see how it goes. So let's select under manage we have Azure Ready roles, click that, and here we have roles section, click that. So here we have different roles, so you have to select one role, and here you can see there is a active as well as eligible. So we'll be talking about this in a few seconds. So let's select one of the roles. So let's select the first one, which is administrator application. Application administrator. So here you can see we can add assignments, so click that. So here let's add the member. So here we have an option called select members. Let's click that, and coming to the scope, let's leave it to the directory. You can select the other one if you want, but I'm just leaving it default though. So let's select the member. So in this case I'll be selecting Ajay, so click that and select it. So that should be fine. So if we go to the next, we have an option called assignment type, in which we have two options, which is eligible as well as active. So if you want to assign permanently, you can do that, but in this case I'm just leaving it. So if you leave that, we have an option, the assignment start date as well as assignment end date. Let's say there is a person who is coming to the organization and he just need 1 month to do the VM scan, let's say. So for that we should only give 1 month of the privilege for accessing the virtual machines. So for that we should assign this way. And coming to eligible and active, so if that is eligible, he should perform some actions in order to have that privilege access. So that may be like having multi-factor authentication and so on. Whereas if you select active, by default he doesn't need to do anything. He has the access for that. So you can see we just need to enter the justification why we are giving him access and just assign it. But in this case I want the user to perform some action, so I'll just click eligible here and I'll just assign it, so that this particular person will be having that particular access. So before that he need to send me a request for that particular access. So let's assign it. So assigning role to the member, so we have assigned Ajay. So even we have action where we can remove it or we can update it. So we can update it with active. So if you click active, we have to give justification, or else we can just leave it default. So let me leave it default in this case. So if you go back here, so under the roles you can see under application administrator you can see there is an eligible one. So since we have assigned it, it's showing 1 right now. If that is active, it will be inside the active. So that's it for now. In the next video we'll try to log into that user ID and see how to proceed with the process and get the access of application administrator. So this is how you have to create and assign the role. I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.